About a year ago, we were doing 300,000 pounds a week, and now we do over 1 million pounds a week of different kinds of snacks. And that's a lot when you put it into half-ounce bag. Part of the success of the company over 90 years is being able to adapt over time. We have limited capital, want to be able to scale the business. We're relatively rural here, so availability of workforce has been a little bit of a challenge in the past. But as we've grown the business, want to be able to leverage the local community. In fact, since we started our automation process and built up the business, we have about 100 more employees now than we did a year ago. So we're not looking to replace employees as much as have this be a great place for people to work.
I think Wyandot has had such great sustainability and been able to be around for so long because of, just its roots here in Marion. How do we keep this, important company and pillar for the community around for so many more years to come? So that's really been the team's focus.
The good news for us is the demand is there. It's being able to respond to that in having a plant produce the volume that we're able to sell, working with a range of different customers.
We start bringing on larger customers in volume. It was really important conversations with the team of, hey, what are we going to be able to do to try to automate this, try to get some efficiency through the line as well as people to staff it. Working with the Formic team has honestly made the process, and our first time of going automated, it's made it just seamless.
There were a couple of reasons that, it was a no-brainer for us in terms of how the numbers worked out to be able to work through Formic on a robots as a service or automation as a service kind of model really worked well for us compared to expending the capital on our own. Looked at other companies that went through big engineering processes ahead of time and spent a ton of money to do what we're essentially doing for a modest amount of money with Formic sort of as a consultant without a big upfront cost.
Work with Formic because it's going to change the way you operate in a manufacturing company. It doesn't only change culture, it changes your actual operational efficiencies. It's very easy to use. The support is there from all different departments and angles, whether it's performance review, whether it's engineering, whether it's we have another project that we want to develop, but we don't know where to start. They're there for you as a partner all throughout, thick and thin. So, definitely recommend going with Formic for your automation needs.